Hey guys, this is Rishabh, and in this video we are going to talk about how to score good marks in the subject direct tax laws and international taxation laws of CA final new course. So the source which you should be using is Bhanwar Borana Sir's compact and his compiler. He's one of the best teachers in the country for direct taxation laws in CA final, and his compact and compiler are very good books for passing the exam, obviously. And the past two attempts RTP and MTP. The approach which you should be using is see Bhanwar Borana Sir's revision video for your applicable attempt. If not available for a particular topic, search for the topic in his past attempt videos. His amendment videos and the notes are also very nice. His revision videos are a game changer if you use them nicely. If you have seen one of his revision videos, you know that it is real treasure. His compact and compiler book are more than enough for scoring an exemption in direct taxation laws. After watching the revision video for 2 or more than 2 times, you will get the idea of whole concept. As compact is already very concise, it is recommended not to leave any topic from it. Focus more on format or calculation based topic on which 8+ mark question can come. Before starting any topic, first learn the amendment in that particular topic, if any, and then the rest of topics, so that you don't miss the amendments or you give less importance to the amendment. The third is, once you have learned from compact, try solving all the questions from compiler for testing your knowledge. In my view, both books are made in such a way that what did not get covered in compact due to its conciseness got covered in compiler by way of questions. Try to do the questions on the same day. Never leave them for next day. Mark the important or unique question for last day revision. And this is very important. Try to draw the format of all type of calculation based solutions. So whatever format is there, try to draw it in topics like trust, PGVP. There are good chances that in exams you will know the solution of an adjustment but may not remember where it is supposed to be placed in the overall answer. It happens in topics like trust, it will happen in PGVP. So it is very important that you know that where the adjustment has to be placed in the overall answer. And for this, it is very important that you start writing the format of all the calculation based solutions. Solving whole question is not recommended because of timing issues, but at least the format you should be very thorough with it. Then the fourth is if you can remember the section number, then well and good. If not, then don't fret over it and just leave it. For case laws, Bhanwar Sir has this one-liner summary PDF available on his website. Learning name of case laws is very difficult and has a very low cost benefit ratio in my opinion. Just try to learn the crux of important case laws. The fifth one is in DT especially, it is very important to understand that topics where the chances of going wrong is very high, or you messing the section with another section like interest calculation or time limits in assessment and like topics, better to leave them. Topics which can be a maze for you, bhul bhulaiya type topics. For students who have not worked in direct taxation and articleship, it is highly advisable that you just leave these kind of topics. CA final course is so big that you should be clear about what you are going to leave. This is very important and is applicable for every subject. You don't have to fight every battle. There are lots of topics where marks can be scored. Don't ये भूल भुलैया में घूमना मत बस. The sixth point is for theoretical topics where you are short of time or it's hard to remember till exam day, like assessment, appeals and similar ones, focus on compiler questions. Chances of questions being repeated from there is very high. Seventh, if you are planning to leave any topic, then at least hear the revision video of that topic and learn the question which has come from that topic in RTP and MTP. Eighth point, covering the last few attempts amendment is extremely important. Better make a checklist of it and mark the topics on last day as and when they are revised. If you miss revising anyone on last day, you are inviting trouble. Go for past 2 attempt RTP and MTP. Prefer a YouTube video where a faculty is solving these content. RTP generally have tricky questions which if solved first by oneself may lead to loss of confidence and drain a lot of time. It's better to learn it to approach an institute's way. ICAI update these content without issuing corrigendum. So stick to ICAI's website PDF every time. Don't rely on the old PDF and printouts. You might now revise and appear for a mock test. Some people advocate multiple revisions. I had two at best. I prefer a detailed study rather than multiple light doses. So this was my strategy, and just as a disclaimer, I have not done my articleship in direct taxation. I did it in audit, so my DT was not so strong. So that's why my grip on topics like assessment was not so good, because my my articleship exposure was mainly in stat audit. So that's why the exposure to DT and the proceeding kind of thing was not so good. So I just used to leave those topics and focus on those topics where I can actually score good marks, and which has a good cost benefit ratio. Any topic which you do in CA final should have a very good cost benefit ratio. If the cost benefit ratio, the number of time you dedicate to that topic and the benefit which you might have if the question comes in exam, is very low, then you should just leave that topic. So that's my view on the on how to score good marks in direct tax laws and international taxation. That is paper 7, I guess. So if you like these videos, please let me know and that it is helping to you, or if you want me to add something in these kind of videos, then also let me know. So if you have any suggestion for any other kind of video related to CA final or your studies, let me know in the comment section below. So this is from my side. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is Rishabh Gang signing off.